Now here's a fun way of doing a striptease on the chair. Make sure you have a chair that has a nice strong back, and it's a nice strong chair. We're gonna go onto our knees, lean back against the chair. That way you don't have to worry so much about balance. Bring the leg across, slide the hands down so you do a little lob of the leg. Slide one finger across, and then the other. Slide past the knee, past the heel. Here we go. Hold on to the back. Bring the leg back. Pull, pull, pull. And then pop. Let's try. So we're gonna go onto our knees. Lean back against your chair. Nice, strong, sturdy chair. Bring the leg in front. Point the back toe. Slide the hand down. Love your leg. Slide one finger across, and then the other. Past the knee, past the calf, and then to the heel. Hand's gonna come back to give you more support. And then you're gonna pull, pull, pull. And when you're ready, pop. Slide the leg in front.